When the bill left the Senate floor, we had a third-tier income tax increase. As it comes back, it now has a fourth tier of 9.85%. This is in line with Governor Dayton's proposal to raise 2% income tax increases on 2% of Minnesotans. We had a lot of discussion about sales tax expansion this year, and Senator Rest and the Reform Division did a lot of work on trying to broaden the sales tax base while we lowered the rate, really trying to reform and stabilize, make the sales tax more modern, bring it up into the today's economy. You know, when the sales tax was first implemented, Minnesota's economy was more of a produce-driven, purchase-driven economy. But in the intervening time, it switched over to services. And so we worked hard and tried to make some progress in there. In the end, we ended up getting a few provisions that were business to business, and then a few agreed upon other sales tax expansions, including the Amazon provision, the Main Street Fairness Act. I really think that's a good provision, and I'm hopeful that the federal government will act on that at some point in the time, but until they do, the state is moving forward on that. And so I think that the sales tax on repairs on farm equipment, it's a business-to-business expense, fits within the confines that were set upon the conference committee with regard to sales tax expansion. I'm a farmer, it's a business, and I can pay the sales tax on the labor when I have equipment repaired.
Hard-working, tax-paying Minnesotans will pay more. Our students will pay more. Our families, single parents and married couples, they'll be taxed more. The elderly will pay more in taxes. Employees and employers will pay more in taxes. The unemployed and the underemployed members, they'll all pay increased taxes. Our farm families and our businesses, they will all pay more taxes. Small businesses and large businesses, sole proprietors, people who operate businesses out of their home or on Main Street, they all will pay higher increases to pay for what is unsustainable government spending and an expansion of government that we don't need and can't afford.